Today, I'm going to show you how to split screen with your Google Pixel 9. So if you want to use two apps at the same time on your device, you can do that with the split screen option. And this is available on older Pixels as well, like the 8 and the 7, and it operates the same way. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so you need two apps open in order to use split screen. So we go ahead and drag from the bottom of that line up slightly, and you'll see it just goes ahead and shows us all the apps that we have open. So we want to go ahead and select another app to split screen, and I am going to go ahead and split screen the Chick-fil-A app. So I'm going to select that, and once I have that selected, I'm going to go ahead and drag up from the bottom again until you can scroll through your apps. So we go ahead and tap on the icon for that specific app at the top, and then you're going to see the option for split screen. Once you go ahead and tap on the split screen, it's going to ask you to select another app. So we'll go ahead and select the clock, and now you notice that it will go ahead and create the split screen for us. And to close out, we can just go ahead and drag up again and then flick up, and it's gone. Now, something to note is certain games do not allow you to do split screen. So if you tap on the icon and it is not there, it is not active for that specific app. The developer has not allowed that app to be able to be split. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. And if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.